Before getting started, you'll want to make sure you have these tools handy. Check the crate for any damage caused by vibration or impact during transportation. If the crate has any structural damage, take photographs in the presence of the carrier and notify the selling dealer. Remove all additional hardware that comes with the motor from the crate. Then inspect the outboard motor and keep record of any shipping damage by taking photographs. Next, establish the center of the transom by measuring from gunnel to gunnel. Make a mark on the transom face at exactly half of this measurement. Next, measure across the transom from strake to strake and make a second mark on the transom face at exactly half of this measurement to establish the center line of the transom. Keeping the motor upright, lift it from the crate and place carefully on the boat transom. To transport when not in use, position the tiller handle straight up, then gently lay the motor port side down. When the motor is lowered onto the transom, the anti-cavitation plate should be between 0 to 1 inch below the bottom of the boat. Center the motor on the center line and secure it by alternately tightening the clamp bracket screws by hand. For added security, install 8mm bolts, washers, lock washers, and nuts, as illustrated in the box on your screen, and tighten the bolts sequentially. After installing the motor, check to make sure that steering and tilt movement are not obstructed by any part of the boat. Now, add engine oil by first removing the cowling. Then, remove the yellow engine oil filler cap and insert a funnel to prevent spillage. Suzuki recommends that you use X-Star, Suzuki Marine 4-cycle engine oil or equivalent. When finished filling, re-secure the engine oil filler cap. Then, check the engine oil level by pulling out the oil dipstick. When filled correctly, oil should be visible up to the circular marker you see here. To check the gear oil level, place the motor in an upright position, remove the gear oil level plug, and look into the hole. The oil level should be visible at the bottom edge of the hole. If the oil level is low, add the specified gear oil through the gear oil drain hole. Fill with gear oil until oil starts to overflow from the oil level hole above. Now reinstall and tighten the gear oil level plug before removing the gear oil pump and securing the gear oil drain plug. Suzuki highly recommends that you use ethanol-free unleaded gasoline whenever possible, with a minimum pump octane rating of 87. Tighten the fuel tank cap until an audible click is heard. Then, tighten the air vent screw on top of the fuel tank cap. With the fuel tank secured inside the boat, connect the fuel line first to the fuel tank. Then feed the fuel line through the spiral fuel line holder and insert it into the fuel connector on the motor. Secure the battery in a dry area of the boat, away from vibration. To hook up the battery, first connect the red positive lead of the motor to the positive battery terminal. Then, connect the black negative lead to the negative battery terminal.